in the outer 2 lanes, yeah, in the outer 2 lanes. Pulsing Berry, into the outer lane again, good. Try to maintain your speed at 70, always maintain it, especially if there's nothing in front of you. Always be aware of junctions now, so mirror right shoulder just in case. The overtake's done, then you can always come back in. Roundabout straight on, Blackburn, Burnley, M65. The actual second exit. Just want you following distance as well, yeah. Make that progress, good. The roundabout, James is going to go straight on. Roundabout, straight on. Middle lane, straight on for Clitheroe. Lanes when you come off. Again, rest could be made if needed. Still in that 50 mile an hour. That is your national speed limit, yeah? 60. Right to your conditions. Traffic lights turning left. Traffic lights turning left. There's a few tight bends here now, James, yeah, so just be aware of these tight bends. Even though it's saying 50, I wouldn't even attempt it, alright? It's all national speed limit on here, yeah, so once you come off a roundabout, you can just accelerate straight out of it, yeah? We'll talk about roundabouts as well, you can virtually straight line them, yeah? Depending on what's on your right hand side as well. Okay, there's a lay-by just on your left here. I want you to pull into the lay-by, yeah? Just pull into the lay-by for 2 minutes. Just have a stop and stretch your legs for 5 minutes or so. Roundabout straight on, Blackburn, Burnley, M65. This is an advisory, it's a good advisory as well, this is a real tight one, yeah? Traffic lights, I'm going to be turning right, side Steed, I think it's skipped at Clitheroe, yep. It's all national speed limit on here, yeah. So once you come off a roundabout, you can just accelerate straight out of it, yeah. We'll talk about roundabouts as well. You can virtually straight line them, yeah. Depending on what's on your right hand side as well. Okay, there's a lay-by just on your left here. I want you to pull into the lay-by, yeah. Just pull into the lay-by for 2 minutes. Just stop. Stretch your legs for 5 minutes or so. How far can you see now? There's a couple of bends there then. Yeah, you can see the road ahead of you now. A couple of bends. Yeah, and always down that gear and then accelerate out. About straight on, roundabout straight on. Better, that's better on the roundabout. Left shoulder, yeah, away you go then. Accelerate out.
Yeah, it was nicely done, that roundabout. Nice right lifesaver on approach as well, so it was good.
Alright, said it was national speed limit on here. Information telling you that it's going to start narrowing. Always what's on your right hand side. Again, gear down if needed. You see that chevron there, you know it's going to be a little bit tight. You can see what there now. Straight back into position 2. Start planning your next one. Got a chevron there again, so it could be tighter than normal. Plan for that next bend. You can see going up there then. Yeah, so just aware what could be over the top of that brow. A couple of junctions. There's a dog there, so just be aware of that. Right there as well. So moment though he's doing that 60. Yeah. So if it was doing like something like 50, there would be an opportunity. Brake lights coming on. Back turning right. Information, you got a board there that's giving you some directions. Going straight on. Again. Coming up, position, good position. How can you see? You can see a bit of a chevron there. Alright. An opportunity, that's the thing. Opportunity then. I know there's a vehicle coming towards you now, but the possibility was an opportunity before coming up. If you went to that position 3, you could see past that vehicle, yeah? So, would there have been opportunities? Not necessarily facing forward then. But, that's all to bikes here.